Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to install a Snap On Duffel Bag onto your trunk. If you buy your Snap On Duffel Bag at the same time that you buy your trunk, we'll install 4 of these snaps onto the trunk. There's 2 on the back, 2 on the front. All you have to do is fill your Snap On Duffel Bag and then clip it onto the back, clip it onto the front, and adjust your straps as needed. If you bought a Snap-on duffel bag for a trunk that you already own, I'll show you how you can install the snaps at home. Okay, this is a real easy product to install. All we do is remove the screws from the front of the clamps here. We're just going to replace those with the snap screws. Those snap screws were in a bag and that came with the Snap-on duffel that you purchased. So just find that bag of the snap screws, install the 2 on the front of the trunk. You're going to repeat that same process on the 2 clamps on the back of the lid. Once you have all 4 of the snaps on, grab your Snap-on duffel, clip it on.